Any seasoned professional will tell you that a flawless paint finish isn't actually built during the painting phase. It's won or lost in the preparation. As I say, the foundation dictates the finish. Remember, premium preparation tools isn't an extra expense, but the insurance policy for your paint job. Good quality sandpaper is the unsung hero of a flawless finish. The difference between cheap sandpaper and the good stuff comes down to how evenly it scratches, how long it lasts, and whether it clogs up the second it touches wood or paint. Now, Hamilton's quality sandpaper, like this, in 1 meter rolls, on the sleeve it gives you exactly what the grit is, what it's ideal for. And on the back, there will also be a guideline to tell you the various other grits that are available and what you should be using each grit for. And Hamilton Sandpaper has a heavy-duty backing. If we look at a cheaper option of sandpaper roll, this one says general purpose sand roll for wood, metal, and paint. But my goodness, metal is spelt incorrectly. The backing paper on this one doesn't look good at all compared to the Hamilton sandpaper. You can do a test by bending the end of the sandpaper and pulling at the grit. If it comes off quite easily, put that sandpaper back on the shelf. Wire brushes tackle the tough stuff. When preparing metal, nothing cuts through loose rust and mill scale quite like a stiff wire brush. It's ideal for cleaning corners, corrugated surface, or detailed metalwork where other tools can't reach. Now, with the Opposition's wire brush, that looks like a lightweight taking on a heavyweight. The length of the bristles and even the size of the handle is a lot thinner. So the quality is self-explanatory on this one. Scrapers are perfect for removing loose paint. And with Hamilton's utility scraper with its carbon steel blade and a single riveted plastic handle, it's a great DIY scraper. This is what I like to compare when I do scrapers. It's so simple. You pull the handle away, look at that. It's only riveted to the bottom of the plastic handle. Now, with the Hamilton scraper, when you remove the handle, look at that. Because it's a single piece of steel from tip to tail, there's no weak joint or weld point between the blade and the handle. So if you put immense pressure on the blade, the force is distributed down the entire length of the tool, preventing the blade from excessive bending or snapping off. Investing in high-quality prep tools like Hamilton's wire brushes, sandpaper and scrapers is the secret to a flawless, long-lasting finish. Skipping quality here guarantees failure, so prep like a pro to ensure your hard work stands the test of time.